To add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first we'll need to open a settings on our device. We can then move down and select security and privacy. From here, move to the lock screen options and provide a password for your phone. After that, if you didn't provide any password, you need to create a screen lock, one of the three options from the top. And after that, we'll be able to click on fingerprint. Then we can set continue and register. Now you need to basically touch and let go of the fingerprint button right here, and you should do it from different angles. And it will take a few moments, but when you're done, you'll be able to unlock your phone using your finger. And it's done. Now our fingerprint is set up, and that is basically everything.